Hi everyone, welcome to Adaptive Fashion Vids. Today we'll be learning how to adapt with cord toggles. I'll be using these cord toggles today, but I do recommend maybe going a bit bigger on those cord toggles just to make it easier to put on and to pull to adjust the cord toggle. So to put these on, you do have to have a bit of pinch strength as shown here. It's a little bit hard to open, especially the smaller ones. But I'm just using it to hold open and pull the first one and then the second one through. It is harder to do the second one. So I'm just pulling it through there. And now once you slide this all the way down, it can be a little bit easier to adjust the drawstring without having to tie it. So that's what this is showing. It does stay with typical pressure, but you can put your hand through and pull it to allow it to open up a little bit more, and then just pull it tight to cinch down. Here I'm going to be using cord toggles to hold shoelaces. These can be to adjust shoelaces in place of tying your shoes. So once these are on, they can be adjusted to make the shoe a bit tighter or to loosen it, or to just hold the laces in place. I'm putting it on the same way I did the shorts. I still recommend going a little bit bigger on the cord toggles. So I'm just pulling the second one through and then cinching it down. It's important to make sure that these don't get too tight on your foot, so just comfortably holding that in place. After, you can take the shoelaces and tuck them between the laces in the shoe front, or you can take the laces and cut them down to what you may need, just to make it a little bit shorter and less bulky, having to tuck those laces in. Or you can just leave them out of the shoe as well. So here I'm adjusting the laces. I'm going to put them between the laces and the shoe front, and with your foot in that should hold pretty well, just to disguise the laces being there. For more information about adaptive fashion and beauty products, please visit the resource page at unitedspinal.org. Thanks for watching.